Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can import your contacts from your Gmail account. So how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and let's find out. First thing you need to do is to go to your Gmail, and once you are on your Gmail, you need to select the account that you have the contact saved to. You need to tap on then manage your account. From there, you need to scroll a bit, and where you will find people and sharing, you need to tap on that one, and here you will find contacts. So once you find contacts, all you need to do is to tap on this icon. Once you tap on that one, and here you can say Google CSV file or CSV for Outlook only, or you can even do this vCard for Android or iOS. So suppose you need to select any one, and from there you need to export. So once you tap on export, you need to tap on download. So the file has been downloaded. So how I can add that to my contacts, you need to go to the contact application on your device, tap on three dots, and then tap on manage accounts. From here, you need to tap on import, and from there you need to tap on phone or cloud storage. So here you need to go to the downloads, and here you will find the file that I just downloaded a while ago. You need to select that file and then tap on done. So I still have these contacts, so I don't want to import them again one more time. So you need to just tap on done, and all the contacts will be imported to your phone. So guys, this is how you can import your contacts from your Google account to your Android device. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.